In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudflare with WP Engine, ensuring you can utilize both platforms effectively to enhance your website's performance and security. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to log into your Cloudflare account. If you're not already part of the Cloudflare family, head over to cloudflare.com to create an account. It's a straightforward process and a necessary one, as Cloudflare is the backbone of what we'll be doing today. Once you're logged in, the next step is to add your site to Cloudflare. Simply click on the Add a Site button. You'll be prompted to enter your domain name. Now, a little tip here. Make sure you're entering the correct domain that you plan on associating with WP Engine, as it will save you time in the long run by avoiding potential pitfalls. After inputting your domain, you'll need to choose a plan. Cloudflare offers various plans, including free, pro, and business. Each has its own benefits, so select the one that best fits your needs and budget. As you proceed, Cloudflare will begin scanning your existing DNS records. This is a vital step as it imports the existing settings to ensure a smooth transition. Once the scan is complete, click Continue to move forward. You will now need to update your DNS records in Cloudflare to point to WP Engine. This involves editing your A and CNAME records. For the A record, you'll be required to direct it to the IP address that you'll find in your WP Engine portal. It's crucial to be accurate here, so double check that IP address in your portal. Next, focus on your CNAME record. Here you'll set it to use your install.wpengine.com for the www subdomain. This step ensures that traffic is routed correctly from your domain to WP Engine. With the DNS records configured, proceed with implementing Cloudflare's name servers. Cloudflare will provide you with these name servers, which you'll need to input at your domain registrar. This replaces your existing name servers, directing traffic through Cloudflare's system, enhancing both performance and security for your site. Now, in the WP Engine portal, navigate to the Domains section. You'll need to add your domain here and verify it. It's an essential part of linking your domain to WP Engine for full integration. Lastly, don't forget to enable SSL certificates in both WP Engine and Cloudflare. This setup is crucial for establishing a secure connection between your visitors and your site. SSL certificates protect sensitive information and enhance trust, so ensuring they're activated is a must for any website administrator. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll have successfully set up Cloudflare with WP Engine. Enhancing your website with these tools not only boosts its performance, but also significantly improves its security and reliability. Stay tuned for more tech guides, and thank you for watching.